Hey guys, and welcome to another day in the life at JAlly Farms. Today what we're doing, we got some poles and stuff over here, and we're making a eagle or hawk or predatory bird perch. I'll go ahead and show you over here what we're doing. I'm gonna have to bring it with me a little bit. And that's serving, and
let the wind blow it over.
yeah, it's not windy enough for that.
You need to fix up a weight hanging in the middle of it.
Okay, what we did here, we had a pole that the other people that used to live here had a martin house on it. So what we did, now the martin house was messed up anyway, so what we did is we took that part off and put a 2x4 on it, split it in half, and made it for the perch. Now a lot of people are going to say, or we've been told by other people, bird handlers and stuff, to put carpet around it, but I think that's because they thought we were using a metal pole for the perch, actually. So we're using a 2x4 this time, and if it ever gets messed up, we could take the 2x4 off and put up another one or whatever. And that's how we did it on that side. And we're going to be digging a hole in a little bit. The buckets are for the water. The buckets are for the water, and we got an auger to dig the hole. So let's go dig the hole.
You got to get most of the dirt out of that hole too.
Yeah.
That's why I wanted to do it in the grass. I'm going to have to reach down, way down in to pull that dirt out. Ready? Don't push it. Don't push over. Don't push it. Wow. It's not going the way I planned it.
Nothing usually goes.
There, hold it right like that.
Yeah.
That's perfect right there.
Alright.
Now,
I'm going to hold it and you...
no, we ain't doing no more now till we're going to set it with the string.
Alright. Is it level?
Yep.
Okay.
The stuff is holding it.
Alright. Now one thing that we're doing is we're tying stakes on it and have some twine up so it won't want to shift too much.
Keep it straight.
So to help keep it straight. And then Arvin's gonna tie the twine around it, make sure it's fairly tight. And
Takes 2 people.
alright.
Pretty close. Pretty damn close.
Okay. And then after the twine is, after the concrete's set, we're going to take the twine off. And
A couple days.
yeah, it'll be about 2 days.
About this weekend, just about.
Yeah.
This ground is so wet, it's going to take a while for the concrete.
Well, if the air temperature stays about 75 or so, or 71, it does get down to 40 at night though, so even 35. So we're going to have to keep it set for, we don't have anything else to do, so we'll probably just keep it like here for a while, for about a week or so, I don't know.
The wetness of the ground.
Yeah, especially that was a wet hole too, so. Is it right on? Okay, it's right on. So let's go put some
That's where I need you. There. Put that level on about this high, because I'm going to have extra concrete.
we poured some concrete in it and mixed it up in there. And I'll try and give you a closer look into the concrete hole, or into the hole. The water was soaked down in there, man.
Oh yeah, see, it's going down there.
Yeah.
You just leave it till there's no water on top, then I'll put more water in. When that goes down, I'll put more water in until the water don't go down. Then I'll pour concrete on top.
Okay. Yeah, we just poured some more concrete in there, and we stuck some sticks down in there to hold the concrete together. And we got some more concrete going. Also doing the top like this, it'll give it a little bit more stability, especially in high wind, 80, 70 mile an hour wind. I mean, we're not really even near an ocean, but we get a lot of winds up here, or over here, I don't know, north of the ocean, north of the Gulf. About what, 800 miles, 600 miles north? Something like that. Probably more like 800. Elevation here is about 930 feet above sea level. And here comes some more water. Now the water is gonna tell you how level it is. Well, if you got any mounds, try and push it in below the mound.